Hello and welcome to Trimble Up.
A presentation on the setup and operation of the Trimble M3 total station. A bipod with prism is needed to collect data with the total station. Always carry the bipod vertically with one or more hands. Failure to do so may result in the impalement or injury of others. Do not carry the bipod under your arm or over your shoulder. Ensure the area where your bipod is being set up is free of debris and that there's plenty of walkway for pedestrians. To set up the bipod, hold it vertically and undo the strap that is keeping the legs together. With both hands at the top of the bipod, place the main vertical leg base on the center of the dent in the control point of interest. Level the bipod to the best of your abilities with the built-in bubble level. Spread the outer legs apart and release by pressing the buttons on the top of each outer leg. Adjust as needed to level the bipod more accurately. Attach the prism to the top of the center pole, threading it carefully. Adjust the sight of the prism to align with the second control point where the total station will be set up. Measure the height of the prism center, as indicated by the white vertex. Measure to the nearest thousandths.
Once your partner has set up the bipod and you have measured the height, you can set up your total station. This process can take 2 people. Don't be afraid to ask for help. To begin, unlock the tripod legs. Raise the tripod to chest level and unstrap the legs. Make sure there is a minimum of 3 feet clearance between all of the legs. If the total station is used on concrete, one leg should be firmly planted in a sidewalk crack. The tripod needs to be set up directly over the nail, and the top should be somewhat level before placing the total station on it. The closer to level the tripod is, the easier it will be to level your total station. Once your tripod is secure, open the case for the total station. Your total station should be securely on its side inside the case. Remember, these machines cost up to $9,000, so treat the total station like you would any used low-end Nissan. You always want to pick up the total station with 2 hands. Place one hand on the handle and the second hand on the base of the station to ensure you have a very good grip. Carry the total station to the tripod, which will ideally be close, and put the total station on top of the tripod. When the total station is placed atop the tripod, the centering screw, located directly under the tripod head, is screwed up into the base of the instrument. It is a good idea to close and lock the case at this time. Leveling the instrument is the most important element of your surveying. If your instrument is not level, your data will not be accurate. Before you begin leveling, check to make sure your total station has a battery. The process of leveling is done using the plate bubble and level screws. Remember, this part of total station setup can be frustrating for new users, and likely it will take a long time. Because of this, it can be beneficial to employ a stress reliever while engaging in this procedure. To begin, turn on the total station and observe the location of the electronic level. The Phase 1 plate should be facing you when you begin turning the leveling screws. The objective is to center the Phase 1 level, the Phase 2 level, and both circular levels while maintaining your optical plummet directly over the nail. This is the picture of success.
After leveling the total station, make sure the units for distance, angle, and zenith are US foot, degrees, and 0, respectively. Create a new project from the menu, and then create a new record. Under the Survey menu, select Measure Topo and enter a value in the point name field. If the user is making multiple sections, be sure to enter multiple feature codes to differentiate between them. Once in the measurement field, select which method is preferred. Next, input a value in the target height field. Look through the sight and line the center crosshairs with the center of the prism. Select Measured to record the data points. When done, select Store and rotate the total station to the next point. Then select Read. The previous data is recorded and the new measurement is made for the next point. Do this for multiple points. The more points, the more robust your end result will be. When data collection is complete, transfer data from the Trimble M3 total station to a computer using Microsoft ActiveSync. Import into CAD and GIS software and watch the magic happen. This concludes our video of the setup and operation of the Trimble M3 total station.